It all started when I missed the package from Purolator, so I rushed down to their office to pick it up. It's the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's go ahead and unbox this. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes in several color options: cobalt violet, sky blue, black, silver shadow, white, and pink gold. The particular one we are using in this unboxing is pink gold. The S26 Ultra has a slim design, around 7.9mm thick and 214 grams in weight, with a premium AMOLED aluminum frame. It also comes with the Gorilla Glass Armor 2 and IP68 water and dust resistance. This phone feels extremely premium in the hand with its rounded design. On the right side of the phone, there is the power button, the volume up and volume down button. While on the left side, there is no button at all. At the bottom corner of the phone, we have the S Pen, the speaker, the charging port, the microphone, and the SIM tray. On the top part of the phone, we have the microphone and the ear vent hole, and the edges feel so smooth and so premium to the touch. To be honest, I got carried away with the beauty of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I almost forgot there are other things in the box. Now back to the box. We have the phone, the USB Type-C charging cable, SIM ejector, and a manual. The S26 Ultra has the same camera setup as its predecessor with an island type camera. Because of this camera setup, anytime you use the S26 Ultra on a flat surface, it becomes wobbly. The S Pen is one of the features that separates Ultra phones from other smartphones. You can use it to take notes, draw, but it's not Bluetooth enabled, so you can't use it to remote control your camera. Now, let's go ahead and power on this phone. In order to make this video as short as possible, I decided to fast track the setup process. In case I haven't mentioned it, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with Android 16 and One UI 8.5 out of the box. One of the major features of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the new privacy display. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is the screen with the privacy display option off. As you can see, the screen is visible on all angles. It is visible when you are looking at it directly and even when you are looking at it from the sides. Now, let's turn on the privacy display. As you can see, the phone becomes invisible when you are looking at it from the side. You find it really hard to see what is on the screen. This means that when you are using your phone in the public with the privacy display on, the person next to you cannot see your screen. To make it even better, let's step out and see how it works in daylight. Again, this is the screen without the privacy display. And this is the screen when the privacy display option is turned on. The screen is invisible on the sides. The only time you can see what you have on the screen is when you are looking at the screen directly. Talking about the display, the Samsung S26 Ultra features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness is around 2600 nits. The S26 Ultra is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a 12GB or 16GB RAM option, and the storage comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage. In this unboxing video, the device used features a 12GB RAM and 512GB of storage. Due to the processor used, there is no doubt the S26 Ultra feels faster and smoother. Now, let's dive into the camera setup. The S26 Ultra features 5 cameras. The main one is a 200 megapixel camera, the ultra wide is a 50 megapixel camera, while the 3 other cameras are the zoom and telephoto cameras. All rounder, the S26 Ultra camera can do a 8K recording, 4K recording of up to 120 frames per second, and now the camera takes better pictures and videos at night. One of the major reasons I got the S26 Ultra is because of the camera. I've decided to take this channel more seriously. So because of that, I intend to take better pictures, better videos, and drop more videos on the channel. Because of this, I decided to go with the S26 Ultra. By the way, the Samsung live event where the S26 Ultra was launched was recorded on the S26 Ultra. These are some of the random pictures I took on the S26 Ultra. Another really cool feature on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the super steady with horizontal lock. The phone stabilizes your footage so it looks smooth, and at the same time it keeps the horizon perfectly level even if you tilt the phone while recording. So if you are walking, filming, or even moving the phone around, your video still looks steady and straight, almost like you are using a gimbal. To demonstrate how this feature works, I recorded a video. While recording the video, I tilted the phone sideways. I even turned it up to 180 degrees. Now, let's take a look at the recorded video. As you can see, the video looks so stable and balanced. You can hardly notice any shaky movement while recording the video. To take it even a step further, I recorded another video while moving the phone in a zigzag motion with the super steady off. And here is the video recorded with the same zigzag motion while turning the super steady and horizontal lock on. So I decided to test the front camera. As you can see, I'm shooting this video on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To be honest, I think the S26 Ultra front camera has improved a lot from the predecessors. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this package came with a Samsung case, which is the Samsung silicone magnetic case. The case literally came free of charge, so I didn't pay anything for it, and this is how the case looks like. Price wise, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra cost $1,300 in the United States, $1,900 in Canada, and about 1.8 million naira in Nigeria. Now, this is the moment of truth. I think if you have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you don't really need to upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, because I feel like those devices are still quite recent and they can still get the job done for you. In my own case, there are two reasons why I went with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Firstly, my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is broken and I feel like I need to get a backup as soon as possible. And secondly, I decided to resurrect my YouTube channel. I feel like I need a device that can make better videos. On the other hand, if you have a much older device, then there is no doubt you can upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The phone is sleek, the performance is good, and it has a better camera. I know some of you have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. just like I do, and you are considering if you should upgrade or not. In the next video, I will do a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and S26 Ultra. Kindly like this video, drop a comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification as well so you won't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.